Hey hello guys, welcome back to TechDeva. Before getting into the video, if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and click on all for instant notification of my videos. In this video, I will show you how to increase any of the Insta story poll votes for free without any login. So let's get started.
Maybe you should take it slow.
In my Insta story, I have created a poll which neither got any viewers nor any votes. So I am gonna increase my story poll votes. Now open your Chrome and type igtools.net. In this page, scroll a bit and tap on the go button under the poll votes. Here you have to bypass the verification I am not a robot. If you are done with these images, click on skip. Here just click on go. On the next page you will get displayed only ads. In this page wait for 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds got over, click on go site. Once again you will face an ad. Just close it. Now enter the username of the page who has created a poll in their story. Here click on the story where you want to vote. Now choose the option to vote and enter the quantity of voters, which can be 100 and below. After you get the successful message, you can check on the story who has created a poll. Now in my story you can see that there are no views and there are 100 poll votes. That's it guys, you are good to go. Thanks for watching my video. If this video was useful, hit a like, share, subscribe and comment.